Hey everyone, want to make Google Chrome even more useful with helpful tools? In this video, we will show you how to add extensions on Chrome, step by step. You can customize your browser and get more done online. How do we manually add an extension? Extensions are small software programs that add new features, customize how Chrome works, and make using the browser better. They work like mini apps that fit right into your browsing, giving us tools for productivity, like Grammarly and ad blockers, password managers, or translators, all found in the Chrome Web Store. Extensions help Chrome do more, from adding toolbar buttons to changing web pages in the background, making our workflow smoother or boosting security. The purpose and benefits of Chrome extensions are to make the browser work better and fit our needs. Extensions can add features like blocking ads, managing passwords, productivity tools, or downloading media. They help us work faster, save time, stay safer, and make Chrome suit our needs. Now, we will show you how to add a Chrome extension to your browser. First, we go to Settings. You can find your settings in the upper right corner of your browser. Look for the three dots. That's the settings. Click on this. Next, go to Extensions and Manage Extensions. Here, we can see all the extensions we already have. We can add new ones by clicking from the Web Store. We can download extensions and search extensions. If we already have extensions, we can search by categories like communication, developer tools, education, tools, and workflow. We can search for all the tools we want to use here. If we have tools that we made or developed, we can add them by using Load Unpack. Click this option, upload your extensions here, and select the folder. Once you select the folder, click Done. If it shows an error or fails, just try again until it works. After that, try again until you succeed. And that's it. We have successfully added extensions to Chrome, making our browser better with new features and tools to make browsing easier and more productive.